In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement Grammarly into Microsoft Word using the best method possible. Whether you're writing a school paper or conducting important business communication, having Grammarly by your side can help ease the stress of ensuring your content is perfect. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Office Online. If you're familiar with using Office on the web, this will be a breeze. You'll need to log into your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Once you're in, locate the Word application from the suite of options available. This should be the iconic blue W logo we're all familiar with. Click on it to open Microsoft Word in your browser. Once Word is open, you'll want to create a new blank document. You'll typically see this option right at the beginning. Just click on New Blank Document to open a clean slate where we can start adding Grammarly. It's always nice to begin with a tidy workspace, so having a fresh doc ready to go is a great starting point. Next, navigate your eyes and cursor to the top of the screen and find the Home menu. The Home menu is a go-to spot for most of your formatting needs, but today we're interested in something else. Keep in mind that the placement can vary slightly depending on your version, but it's usually at the top along with other menu options. Within the Home menu, you'll see an option labeled Add-ins. Click on that. Add-ins are a fantastic feature of Word that allows you to incorporate additional tools directly into your document interface. With add-ins, you can streamline your work process by integrating tools like Grammarly, which brings us to the next step. In the add-in search bar, type Grammarly. This will pull up the Grammarly add-in for Microsoft Word Online. It's your ticket to enhancing your writing with instant grammar checks and writing suggestions. You'll see the Grammarly add-in icon pop up in the search results. Go ahead and click on Add next to the Grammarly add-in. This simple step is where the magic happens. By adding Grammarly, you've integrated a powerful writing assistant right into your Word setup. With it in place, you'll notice a Grammarly tab added to your Word interface, usually along the top row of menu options. And there you have it, you've successfully added Grammarly to your Microsoft Word Online. From here, you can begin making your writing not only grammatically correct, but also clear and impactful. Feel free to explore the Grammarly settings to tailor it to your specific writing needs. It can check everything from complex grammatical errors to stylistic suggestions, ensuring